Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the log10e property in the math object. So what this represent is the base of 10 logarithm of e, which is the argument itself. So which is approximately the 0.434 something. So now what we're gonna do is function, and we're gonna create a function something like sum, and we will pass num something and a number, and we will return when this function called math math dot log. Everything will be capital, keep in mind though, log10e. And when we done with that, just log it up in the console. First I need to show you something. Wait, I forgot to into with the num. And yeah, first I need to show you something like what is the value of math log means LOG dot 10e, and its value is 0 point something. And if we pass inside the sum function something like 12, it will returns you the multiplication of log10e into the num. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.